so let's talk about the chords we need for this song. There's some bar chords in there. I'm not doing this with a capo or anything. We're going to play it exactly how they do it on the recording for the most part. So we've got a D major, all right? And then we've got a D, that's open, 2, 3, 2. And you strum from the 4th down. Then a D major 7th. I just bar my index over the 2nd fret, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string. And I strum from the 4th down. All right. And then I've got an F sharp minor chord. It's a bar chord. If you haven't started learning your bar chords, then this is the time. All right. You just have to keep sticking with it until they become natural and that they don't hurt anymore. So that's 2nd fret, 6th string, 4th fret, 5th, 4th fret, 4th string, and you bar your index over all 6. I'm barring on the bonier part of my finger so that I don't have to press as hard onto the, the skin piece. So, and my thumb stays right behind there. All right. So that's what you want. All right. You strum all 6 separately to make sure you're getting that to ring, and then you got an A7. All right. So that is literally just open 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, open on the 3rd finger, 2nd fret, 2nd string, and you strum from the bottom, from the 5th string down. All right, so that takes care of most of the chords, and then we've got a G minor bar chord. Same shape as we did for the F sharp minor. You just move to your right a half a step. A half a step on the guitar is 1 fret, forwards or backwards from wherever your starting point is. So that's a G minor. So 3rd fret, index, 5th fret, 3rd finger, pinky on the 5th fret, 4th string, and you bar all 6, just like that. And that is all the chords for the song. So let's talk about this little fingerstyle intro. As you can see, I was actually strumming the chords with just my fingers through this. But once you get through with the intro, you could grab a pick. I just didn't have one right here when I wanted it. So let's talk about this intro here. So it's going to start like this. Here's how I play it, all right? It's fingerstyle. So you put your index finger or your middle finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, and your 3rd finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string. And you pluck them both just separately. I'm using my thumb and my middle finger there. And then I come back and I pluck, my thumb is going to pluck the 4th string. So it's like, you want to get that down. And then I keep my middle finger there and I literally slide it all the way to the 11th fret, 3rd string. And my index plays the 10th fret, 1st string. And I do the same move. Thumb on the 3rd string, middle finger on the 1st. And then my thumb plays the 4th string. So it's like this. And I slide into it. Just like that. So, and then I come back and I go middle finger on the 9th fret, 3rd finger on the 9th fret, 1st string. So 3rd string, 9th fret, 1st string, 9th fret. And then I play here, thumb and middle. Then I go down to the 7th fret, same fingers. And then I come down to the 6th fret, 3rd string, and 5th fret, 1st string. And then I play my 3rd finger, and my thumb plays I use my thumb, you could use your index, plays the 7th fret, 2nd string. So that whole thing is. Just like that. It's a great little intro. Any Beatles fans, as soon as they hear that, they know what that is. So then I get a F sharp minor bar chord, but I only play, this I kind of left out at the beginning, but you play your 3rd finger on the 4th fret, 4th string, and your index bar is the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd string, 2nd fret, and you go. I'm using my thumb here because I didn't have a pick to start with, so I think that makes the most sense. You go, and you pluck 4th string down, strum it, and then your pinky goes on the 4th fret, 3rd string. Every other time. And then you go to an A, you bar from the 4th string down on the 2nd fret. It's kind of like an A6 chord, and you go, you keep doing that same move. And you can strum just the 5th through the 2nd string too. You don't have to get the 1st string. 2 and 3 and 4 and so what I did there is I just kind of held an A chord with my index. I have to bar it. I can't really, unless you want to reach with your pinky, I'm just going to bar it. And I'm going to play with my 3rd finger or my pinky. Every other strum is going to go to that 4th fret, 3rd string. Same thing as we did on the F sharp. So 2 and 3 and 4 got to make sure you get that fifth string in there to ring. 2 and 3 and 4 and it's either the pinky or the third finger, whichever feels best there. So let's go over that whole intro. You've got grab a pick in time, do it. If not, play with your thumb. And then D, just down, eighth notes with the down. So 1, 2, D major 7th. So that's D, this is the verse. D major 7th, F sharp minor 2, 3, 4, E minor 7th. I left that chord out earlier. It's open, 2, 2, open, 3rd fret, open. That's my bad. So open, 2nd fret, 2nd fret, open, 3rd fret, open. Or your pinky can play that, whatever feels most comfortable. So you're going, that's your third chord there. So D major 7th, F sharp minor 2, 3, all down so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, and every once in a while an up, and then A dominant 7th, 3, 4, and a little trick there. I go from E minor. My middle finger's already on the right string and fret for that A7, so I leave it there and pivot around it and then I put my third finger 2nd fret, 2nd string. So E minor 2, 3, 4, down up A7, 2, 3, 4, and then I go back. Same thing. D major 7th, F sharp minor 2, 3, and then this time E minor 2 and for just 2 beats. So it's 1 and 2 and G minor 2, 3, 4 and all right. That's that 3rd fret bar chord, same shape as the F sharp minor, just off the 3rd fret. 2, 3, 4 and all right. So let me play that second half of that first verse. So D major 7th, F sharp minor, E minor 2 and G minor 2, 3, 4 and then you're into the chorus. So it's going to be all downstrokes. So you're going to go D 2, 3, 4, D again 2, 3, 4 and A7 2, 3, 4, A7 2, 3, 4, A7 again 2, G, nothing's going to change my world, and then to D 2, 3, 4, A7, nothing's going to change my world, 1, all downs, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, and then you're right back into a verse. Images of broken light which dance before me like a million nights. It does the exact same thing that time then, all right? Except for that time it doesn't go to, that second verse doesn't go to the G minor. So it's D major 7th, F sharp minor, E minor, A7, just like the one before, and then D major 7th, F sharp minor, E minor 7th, and it stays there. And then A7, 2, 3, 4, and then back to another chorus, okay? And then you go all the way down through another chorus. Then you got a third verse, which is exactly like the first verse. And then you do another chorus, and you just vamp on Jai Guru Deva. And you just stay on the D, 2, 3, 4, and it fades out on the recording. That is how you play across